Good morning! Happy blessed Friday everyone! Maagang nagising kaya eto linis-linis na pag may time at mamaya ay may kenko shinda ako. Ayan, good morning! Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Natatakpan lang ng kanyang building. Good morning everyone! Ang ganda niya pagmasdan, pasikat na ang araw. It's time for 5:55 a.m. in the morning. Ayan. Good morning. Oh, may 3 ibon, 4 na ibon. Bye-bye.